San Diego County reported 50 foodborne illness outbreaks last year, twice as many as in 2023. An outbreak is 2 or more illnesses from the same food source. One virus is behind most cases.
Norovirus ends up accounting for a fair majority of the cases that lead to these outbreaks.
The highly contagious virus causes vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach pain. It was linked to 15 outbreaks of contaminated raw oysters last year.
There was an outbreak associated with a shellfish grower in Mexico, as well as some in the north in the Washington area. And so as those oysters are then, shipped throughout the country and some of them landing here in San Diego, that's what drove some of those illness numbers.
Heather Bonomo's team investigates complaints from both doctors and the public.
Our team will do a little diet recall. We'll talk to them about everything they've eaten in the past few days and try to get more information to determine if their symptoms were caused by a food that they consumed from a restaurant.
Another culprit, raw milk. In 2023, it was linked to salmonella. Last year, health officials investigated it for possible bird flu. Beatty says a handful of cases helped them catch a statewide outbreak early.
When we realized that we had 4 people who had all said they drank raw milk, which is not that common to encounter, we knew that there was something going on, and we immediately shared that information with Heather's group and then started our process to coordinate the investigation. And we actually led the state in the very early on noticing that because of the tracking work we were doing.
Experts say simple precautions can lower your risk.
Hot food, keeping it hot, cold food, keeping it cold, and washing your hands are really going to be some of the best preventative measures against foodborne illness, no matter where you are eating.
Preventing outbreaks isn't just up to health officials, says Mitzi Baum. She advocates for stronger food safety policies.
We all have a role to play in reducing illness and death associated with foodborne illness, and consumers need to be educated and informed as well.
If you think your food made you sick, health officials say it's important to report it. Tracking cases could help stop an outbreak. Heidi de Marco, KPBS News.